Hi there and welcome to today's practice. My name is Kseny and these are my two dogs, Altai and Suki. And today we all are going to guide you through a 10-minute mobility session, meaning that we're going to do the exercises that helps with joint mobility, helps to keep the circulation healthy and strong, keep the muscles working, and ultimately keep your joints healthy.
But before we begin, if you like my YouTube videos, consider joining my membership site for more videos on energy, stress relief, and sleep. And if you want to go deeper into your practice, you can join me live every Sunday on Zoom for a 45-minute Qigong session. You can find more information on how to join in the description below. Let's begin today's practice.
Let's begin in a standing position with your feet firmly planted on the ground. Unlock your knees, relax your hips, bring your tailbone slightly forward and lengthen down to help you relax and open through the lower back. Try to keep that alignment for the entire session. Your spine feels nice and long, your shoulders relaxed. Bringing your chin slightly in to help you open and lengthen through the back of the neck. And take a moment here to notice how you feel, to become aware of your physical body before you start moving. And just take a moment to settle in. We're going to begin by activating our feet. I like to rock back and forth, activating the entire perimeter of the feet, the soles of the feet. It feels much better if you're practicing bare feet. So if you're at home, on your mat, or in the garden, that will feel especially healing, especially good. Just a few more times here. And once more. Good. Keep your feet firm on the ground. Get yourself on one leg. Lift the other leg up and we're going to rotate and move the ankle. Very good. And then change the direction. Today we're going to keep 6 repetitions for each exercise, so easy to remember. Good. Last one. Bring your foot down. Just take a moment to transition. Get yourself nice and stable. Good. And 6 times the other way. Okay, once you've done 6, adjust your feet, keep them parallel. Next, we're gonna open up and warm up the knees. I like this one, especially in the mornings, quite easy, quite playful, but helps to activate the muscles and tissues around the knee joints, get the joint fluid moving, so activating that kind of hydration and lubrication for the joints. Good. We've done 6. Pause at the top and change the direction. And last one. Good. Come back. Place your hands on your lower back. Hip rotation next. feels like we're moving quickly, but if you only have 10 minutes and you want to do something before you go to work or before you need to do anything else, this is a good one to do. Just begin to slowly open up through the hips. Some nice movement in the lower back area, activating the feet and the legs. Hello, dogs. Curious as always. Good. Once more. Circle around. Come back to center. You can let your hands relax by the side as you get yourself steady on one leg. We're going to open through the hip. Also 6 times. Number 4, number 5, and number 6. Bring your foot down to keep the momentum. Shift the weight, open up through the other hip. Number 3, number 4. Last one here. Very good. Lower it down, adjust your feet again. Place your hands on the lower back, and if you can remember, circle your hips in the opposite direction. Just get that circulation flowing to the hip area, down to the legs and back up. When doing this kind of mobility exercises, establish your own pace. Your pace can be very different from mine or somewhere else. So stay relaxed, stay calm, stay true to your breath, stay true to your body, and move with ease. So if you notice in yourself kind of speeding up or maybe pushing yourself as you're trying to match my pace, just slow it down and remember to always listen to your body first. Very good. Come back to center. And you can kind of quickly warm up the lower back, release. If you have any tension, just keep that area nice and warm. Relax your hands. I'm going to stay here to show you the side view. Let your hips slide back as you extend through your spine, keeping your back nice and flat. Tuck your chin in, round your back, and slowly come back up. We begin to warm up the spine, going forward, rolling back up. Inhale as you go forward. Exhale to come up. 3 more times, nice and steady. Last one here, breathing in, breathing out. Middle back, upper back, neck. Relax here. Keep your feet parallel, good stance. We're going to open up through the shoulder and the chest. Number 5. Number 6. Last one to the back. Good. To save time, switch to the other hand. Inhale as you rotate to the back. Exhale down. Or just let go of your breath. If you're causing you any mental strain, just let go and breathe normally. Good. Last one. Relax. Okay, relax your shoulders. Just drop them down. Relax your chest. Okay, from here we're gonna do kind of circle sideways. So changing the dimension. Also 6 times, alternating the hands. Number 4. Number 5. And last one. Very, very good. Let your hands relax. Relax your shoulders. Good. From here, a little bit on the neck. 6 times up and down. Last one. Back to center, left and right, shoulder to shoulder. That was 1. That will be 2. Again, trusting the process, listening to your body, finding the range of motion that feels good. Avoid any straining, any forcing. I believe 2 left. And last one to the side. Very good. Bring it back. And let's finish today with the exercise called the fountain. It kind of mobilizes the whole body. Lots of movement in the upper body, good for the spine, good for the hips, and good for the legs. Also helps to open the chest for better breathing. Feet are shoulder width apart or a little bit wider to make sure that you can comfortably go into this half squat. Raise your hands overhead, palms facing the back. Inhale. And on the exhale, sinking down, allowing your hands to calm down the center. Open your chest, your eyes follow the fingers or follow the hand. So your neck are doing the full range of motion here and then going down again. Coming back up. I'm trying to stay focused on my breathing and not watch the two playing. Very good. So inhale. Exhale. As you go down, allow your upper back to round a little bit, dropping your chin in without going too far forward, and then pushing off the ground, opening up. Exhale. Breathing in, breathing out. Nice and steady. Inhale. Exhale. I'm going to come back and 2 more on each side. Taking those full comforting breaths after you've done the whole body routine. Feels very pleasant. One more time. I think Alta agrees. Inhale, exhale, let your hands come down the center, down to the lower abdomen, and relax by the side. Relax your chest, open your belly, relax your entire body. And then do a gathering movement with your hands, gathering the good chi that you've generated through the session and placing it, bringing it to your lower abdomen. Your attention travels down to your belly. Notice any physical sensations that you may have, a subtle sense of warmth, definitely a lot more awareness. One is eating grass. Good. Lots of awareness, Ksenia, lots of awareness. And finish. Bring your feet together. And I would like to finish with a phrase that I heard the other day from a meditation master. When you finish your practice, place your hands together at the heart center and bow humbly to heavens. I thought it was quite nice. So thank you for joining me today. And as always, if you would like to enjoy longer routines or join me live every Sunday on Zoom, consider joining my membership site to discover a lot more content, meet like-minded people every Sunday, and grow your practice at home. Until next time, I wish you great health, keep well, and I'll see you soon.